Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are in one of the most sought after gardens here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are actually in garden Naranjos 4 and I'm showing you today a 3-bed, 1-bathroom ground floor apartment. It's number N211. Here we go, on Naranjos 4. And you will see today a pristine, fantastic property, which is perfectly made up. And I'm just showing you here, after we have seen the community gardens, I'm just showing you here this idyllic situation where I am at the moment. I'm on the main terrace of this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Naranjos 4 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. You are on a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. This reference is 3567 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, and as you can see, it's kind of a paradise situation down here. No problem at all. People are actually on holiday at the moment, and the resort is really well packed with happy holidaymakers, happy owners. We have actually 36 degrees outside. It's a nice summer day on the 5th of August 2021. And I'm showing you today, as I said, a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Naranjos 4. It's the number N221. And I'm just walking into the living room here. It's beautiful, cool and fresh in here. These apartments, even they are all fitted with air conditioning. You hardly need it because there's always a wind blowing through, so it's hardly necessary to turn on the air conditioning. Well, Leslie, we can't wait to see you coming back to Condado, so happy days. When will you come over? Okay, this property has several additions and improvements done, and one of them that's really sticking out to me is the work surface here in the kitchen, which has been changed from a normal wood-based into a black granite, but as well they have transformed it into a kind of a breakfast or even dining bar. So as you can see here, this is really perfectly fit and gives a total different feeling also to the kitchen. Apart from that, as we see, the kitchen is equipped with washing machine, with a massive fridge freezer, and with all other mod cons, they have changed the sink into a more modern sink. And as you can see already, there is no water filter. So as you guys know, always with Quality Homes, buying a property with Quality Homes here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, you will get a free water filter, which means you don't have to buy and carry these nice water bottles from the supermarket to here. You don't have to dispose of them. You just open your drinking water tap and it's fine. What does this mean, that the water is not drinkable? No, it's perfectly drinkable. It's just sometimes it has a chlorine taste, and the chlorine taste goes away with the drinking water filter. So this means no more water bottles, no more plastic. You just pour it out of your own drinking water tap. Apart from that, we do see quite some stylish furnishing here. It's a white leather sofa with a chaise longue. It's quite a decent television here. And it's ample. It's a beautiful property because it's ample. They have sorted the issue with the dining table and just added to the work surface here, to the worktop, the breakfast bar. And this really helps because most of the time anyway we are eating outside. So that's not the thing. And having said that, just let me proceed to the master bedroom now. Adjacent to the master bedroom, we do have the back terrace, which we will see in a minute. The property is sold as seen. That's good, Leslie. 13th. Happy days. Looking forward. So, sorry. The property is sold as seen, as you can see. There is air conditioning in the living room and in 2 bedrooms. And the 3rd bedroom has a decent ventilator. But anyway, you will hardly need the air conditioning in here because there's always a breeze going through. Just let me show this to you. As soon as I open it here, you see that the breeze is even moving the curtain a little bit. And this makes it exactly to a fantastic possibility that you can live here even without air conditioning. Having said that, we are now on the back terrace here. It's quite an ample back terrace, which can be used for many, many purposes. As you can see, the neighbors, for example, are using it just to dry the laundry, but there are other neighbors even putting out a breakfast table with chairs, because in the morning that's a sunny spot. This is the sunny morning spot, as we are here rather northwest facing, northeast facing, so we do get quite a fair share of morning sun. And on the other side, the apartment is facing southwest, which means we have sun as of midday on the main terrace. What we see here is still building land, but actually there are no plans to build here, and in any case they can only build one story, so this will not disturb the privacy here for these apartments. In the background we do see the Sierra de Carrascoy. Hello, you see lots of parking space here. On Naranjos we do have no parking issues at all, even now in high season. As you can see, there are still parking spots available also on the car park. So this is really well designed and you will never miss a car park here. There we go. So let's go back into the property. We are talking about the 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, which is totally furnished, as we can see in our virtual open house today. It is reference 3567 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. As well, all bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, and just let me open this one to show how it looks from the inside. So we have a chest of drawer here, we have a rail, and we have on top still a storage possibility. So they are quite ample to say. And I think that's also necessary, because there will be stuff you want to store here during your absence. So that's exactly the thing. Here we have installed a mirror, so you can see Rupert again. Apart from that, because that's not the most important, we do see the second bedroom as well, conveniently fit and decorated, as well with fitted wardrobes, and not to forget the air conditioning. There we go. So fully equipped, everything here, ready to move in. And that's also one thing, this apartment is really ready to move in, so there is hardly anything to do. Let me show you the bathroom now. We do have a glass shower screen. They have changed the hand wash basin to a more modern make, to say. Also the mirror has been changed, and this gives quite a modern aspect. And it smells beautiful in here, I have to say. Hi Neil, how are you? So coming to the third bedroom now, where we do see a single bed, and as we said, there is a massive ventilator in here, but when you just open the window, you'll see that's more than enough, because it's really pleasant in here, even not having the air condition turned on today. Having said that, coming back to the living room and the kitchen, the property has the reference 3576 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, and the asking price is only 87,000 euros. Taken into account the location, because we are on Naranjos 4, means we are between the Kasar and the golf course. So it can hardly get better, because in walking distance you can go for a round of golf, or as well you can go to the pub, to the supermarket, to the hairdresser, to the furniture shop, to the estate agents on Kasar, where actually now nearly all bars are open again, except the restaurant Sofia, which hasn't made it during the crisis, so they had to give up, and the unit is actually on the market. So in case somebody wants to take over Sofia restaurant, please give us a shout and we will put you in touch with the landlord. No problem. Talking about the golf course, I'm sure many of you are aware that our golf course was closed since last April, I would say, due to COVID. This situation will change, we think, imminently. Since 2 weeks now, G&K, the operator and owner of the golf course, are really on it. And when you follow also other Facebook groups, you will see how much work is actually going at the very moment as I speak into the golf course. So we are pretty confident that our Jack Nicklaus signature course, and there are not many signature courses, and not to say is only one at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, will be open again in September. We don't know yet the date, but we do know that G&K and their CEO, Kike Herrero, are working day and night to make sure that this will happen. And this might be also that we are back in the picture as one of Spain's leading golf resorts, as just having, for God's sake, one of the best golf courses in Spain. So looking forward to that, and we are really hoping that this will now put us back into the picture. Many people have been very patient, some have been not that patient, but many people have been very patient, understanding the situation. Others maybe not, but at the end of the day, the man in the mirror, thank you very much. Thanks, Brandon. Sorry. Okay, this is a serious thing here. So, yeah, actually, okay, so we were talking about the golf course, and the golf course will open again. They are working day and night, and they are doing everything they have to do to make sure that the golf course is back in the same or even better quality as we had it 1.5 years ago. So no reason to worry, the other way around. Get your golf clubs ready, because, sorry, because in September we will see the golf course again up and running. Having said that, we are back to our 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in Naranjos 4. The community fees are only 120 euros per month, and they also include not only the services provided by the community of owners, means gardening, means pool cleaning, means street cleaning, means security. As well included is the internet connection to your property with a 100 megabyte up and download line, as well as over 200 international TV channels, which are free to use. The channels, not the TV, you have to buy the TV yourself. Just to make sure, in the community fees included, more than 200 international TV channels, and as well internet for each property at 100 megabit up and download. So taking into account that just an internet line in our area is maybe around 30 euros per month, and you pay 120 and get all the services provided by the community plus free internet, I would say happy days. By the way, that's what we always say at Quality Homes, because we think we are here really part of the Happy Days Brigade, as we live on holiday now, where other people just can go sometimes. Okay, having said that, I'm showing you today reference 3567 on Naranjos 4 N221. Excuse me. 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, reference 3567, asking price 87,000 euros. I think it's really good value for money, taking into account the location. We are in one of the most sought after gardens. We are southwest facing here, so the sun comes on the terrace, I would say, about early midday and goes down, and we have it until the sun goes down. So actually it's now 5:15. We are still in full sunshine here, and the sun will then go down somewhere over there. So there is enough sunshine all day. We are close to the pool, as you can see, just around the corner, but not too close, so you can still have your siesta here without being disturbed, but you still can supervise your kids from here and make sure that nothing happens. Well, having said that, the property is sold as seen, with all the outside furniture, with all the inside furniture, all the cushions, all decoration and all that. So, in my opinion, it's really a property which can be moved in immediately, and you can either use it yourself, with your friends, with your family, or would make as well, to be honest, a very good long-term rent in case you think of investing your money and moving yourself later on to Spain. This would be also a very good long-term rental. So in case you're looking for an investment, I reckon you can make about 5% on that per year, pre-tax obviously. So that's, I think, quite a nice point. As we can see, it's all of high quality in here. So there's nothing cheap. They have not spared any effort to make sure that the property looks as it does. And as I said before, it smells nice. Those of you who have seen already more than one show know that sometimes, when I don't say anything, then it might not smell nice. But sometimes I really appreciate that properties have a nice smell. Maybe it doesn't say anything, but seeing so many properties, it makes to us a difference. We are in the master bedroom at the moment of this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. It's reference 3567 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacarrera.com. And I'm showing you just again the master bedroom. There is a mirror, but this mirror won't catch me today. And we are here again on the back terrace, overlooking the wasteland here. onto the Sierra de Carrascoy, which is a beautiful nature reserve. You see the parking situation here, which is pretty easy and relaxed for a day in high season. The Condado de Alhama is actually pretty well booked, so for the moment it's impossible to get either a 2 or a 3 bedroom apartment because it's everything rented out. Situation changes again end of this month, but for the time being, I haven't heard of any availability at the moment, so I think that's a good sign as well, because this means people are still enjoying Condado and trust that we are doing the right thing. And I do see many, many happy holidaymakers here, many kids, many families, and that's exactly what Condado is all about. It's about the fun with family as well as a decent golf resort with a Jack Nicklaus signature course. Okay, so another view in the mirror, but we try to get Rupert out of the picture for the second bedroom, talking about the bathroom here as well. We said hand wash basin blue, bathtub, glass shower screen. All the decoration is nicely set, I have to say. It's all very subtle and it all fits together very well. So they really have thought about it. Third bedroom, as we said, has no air conditioning, but an additional massive ventilator. And it's not necessary, no? It's not really necessary, no?
No, not at all. There's enough coming in from here, from the big unit out there, and I think with the fan.
Yeah, exactly. So I think...
Not on.
No, it's not on.
I thought it was on.
No.
There's enough breeze coming in. Honestly, I'm...
Gobsmacked,
My
no?
house faces the same direction. I could not sit here like this. I would have to have everything shut, blackout curtains, everything shut.
Yeah.
So,
weird, no?
But it's the draft. It's the double draft again with the sliding doors and all of that.
And I think it's the awning. Because as you can see here, maybe didn't show the awning. I should do that. Because there is a massive awning which provides shade. So when I take this away, then I think the situation might change. We just pull this here on the... Yeah, always. Demo effect, no? Has to happen. So there we go. There we go. So far, for the moment, yes, Brandon, the community fee include the rubbish bins. We will see the situation might change because there might be some changes in the setup for the garbage collection, but this will be notified as soon as it's out. For the time being, yes, it's included in our community fees, no doubt about it. And as you can see here, we can put this nearly entirely away, so it's quite sunny here now. Yeah, but having said that, it's much more comfortable pulling it out again, because it makes a difference. And as soon as I'm pulling it out again, it's getting cooler and cooler and cooler. It's so simple. It's so simple, and it works perfectly. There we go. Whoop. I'm just doing this with one hand, because in the other hand I have to hold my video device. So there we go. Fix it. That's it. That's how it works. So you just pull here, and that's how it works. Pretty simple. Okie doke. Resume. Reference 3567 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price 87,000 euros. All included, all air conditionings, all televisions we see here. Kitchen appliances, furniture, you name it, we have it. It comes all included. Community fees per month, roughly 120 euros, including even internet and the use of the TV channels. Okay, so I would say this was the show for today. It was a pleasure to have you again with us. Next week, I cannot yet tell what we are doing because we might go off-site. So let's see what we are doing, but it looks like that we could have a property off-site, but I can't tell you anything else, anything more, because that's still in the pipeline. So I wish you all the best. I wish you a beautiful summer. For the time being, we are still here working, so there's no holiday for Quality Homes Costa Calida, but there's still happy days here at Quality Homes Costa Calida, because we are allowed to do our show every week and show you the best of Murcia properties through our virtual open houses. It was a pleasure to have you again, and I'm looking forward, and I hope that you join me again next week. And in case you like our shows, so please give us a like and even share the show so more people, your friends, can enjoy our show. Happy days. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Cheers. Bye.